I will show you the fastest and easiest way to promote any product in any language you prefer. First thing, go to Higgsfield.ai and then click on Marketing Studio. Here you click on Product, paste the URL from the product page. We will be promoting this sweater, so copy the link. Go back to Higgsfield, just paste it here. It's gonna create the product. Choose the product you just created and then close this tab. Now pick an avatar and we're gonna use Sophia. Then click on UGC. We will be promoting a sweater, so we're gonna choose UGC virtual try on. Click on that and then click on settings and choose bedroom. Just make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16 and the quality is 1080. I will do 15 seconds because it's best for meta ads, and then generate. Now we have the video ready. Let's watch.
Okay, so this cable knit vest has genuinely become the piece I reach for every single day. It just works over literally anything, shirt, blouse, even a slip dress. It's that kind of piece that makes the whole outfit look like you tried without trying at all.
I want to change the voice to Swedish because my e-commerce store is in Swedish. So download this video, go back to Higgsfield, and here go to audio 11 version 3, and here click on translate, add the reference video here you just downloaded. I've added it here, and now change the language you prefer. I will choose Swedish and then generate. We have the translation ready. Let's watch.
Okej, så den här kabelstickade västen har verkligen blivit det plagg jag sträcker mig efter varje dag. Den funkar över bokstavligen vad som helst, skjorta, blus, till och med en slipklänning. Det är den typen av plagg som får hela outfiten att se ut som om du ansträngt dig utan att egentligen göra det.
Wow, very good. The Swedish was almost on point. It sounded like she had a German accent a little bit, but this works. You will find more guides in my Skool community. The link will be down in the description and in the comment section. And I will also post the results from the UGC post and meta ads from this content in my Skool community. So see you there. So that's it for this video. Hope you learned something and see you in the next one.